What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, I'm going to be opening up some really good cards. So what I have today is Battle Styles in Japanese. This is going to be my first time opening up Japanese cards. I'm really excited. This has not yet to release in the US. It is releasing in the US next month in March. I do not know what's in this set. All I know is this guy. Yurishifu. I don't know how to pronounce it, but really excited about this. Then I have X and Y Roaring Skies. Now what I know is there's gonna be, we're hoping to pull Mega Rayquaza. That's all I know that's in this set. Mega Rayquaza is the goal. Then I also have some random packs. I have Burning Shadows. Has that Shining Charizard. Crimson Invasion. Not that bad. And Celestial Storm. Another Mega Rayquaza that's in here. So let's get to it. Alright, start with Celestial Storm. Look up at the scissors. Get this. Alright. I do not know the card trick. But here's a code card. Rip that up. Oh, there we go. Alright. Onyx. Bagon. Bellsprout. Fanfy. Clamperl. Hall. And Grumpig. Energy. Sky Pillar. Torkoal. Lurball. Oh, nothing. Put that to the side. Alright, let's try Crimson Invasion. Code card. There we go. Alright. Aron. Ghastly. Corphish. Machino. Weedle. Shellos. And Registeel. Rare. Non-holographic. Energy. Larion. Gladion. And Ticino. Cool. Alright, Burning Shadows. Let's see if we can pull that $500 Shining Charizard. Alright. Code card. I think it's 4 from the back. I hope so. Yeah, 4 from the back. Alright, Energy. Semi-Pour. Super Scoop Up. Oddish. Tynamo. Mudbray. Stuffle. Noibat. Seadra. And Scolipede. Nothing so far. Don't worry, we got plenty of cards left. Alright, Roaring Skies. Oh, no, wait. Oh. I had another Burning Shadows. Huh. I missed it. Alright, try this one. Okay. Code card. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Let's see what we got. Shining Charizard. Seadra. Rotom. Alolan Vulpix. Horsey. Noibat. Grimmer. Rylu. Cutiefly. And Bruxish. Cool. Alright, now we can go to the X and Y. All I do know is Mega Rayquaza. That's all I know that's in this set. Probably some other Mega forms. But who knows? Here's the code card. Alright. I think it's... We'll try 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's definitely not 4, but whatever. Okay. Articuno. Manectric. Mega Turbo. Torpus. Gilgar. Meowth. Sparrow. Natu. And Shuppet. And Zapdos. So that means... This was the rare. So that's 3 from the back. Sure, yeah. One, 2, 3. Alright. It might be 3 from the... Alright, whatever. Altaria, Rayquaza, Silcoon, Togepi, Execute, Natu, Fletching, Wurmple, Swellow. Ooh, that looks nice. And Victini. Maybe it is 3 from the back. I'm not sure. Should have done my research. Oh well, I'll just shut up, open it. Alright. Sparrow, Natu, Shuppet, Dartini, Cascoon, Gligar, and Dustox. Mega Turbo. I don't know her name. Unpheasant. Cool. Got 3 packs left of Roaring Skies. So far, nothing. There's a code card. Alright. Dartini, Cascoon, Hawlucha, Wingull, Inkay, Reverse Reshiram, and the rare Togekiss. Cool. Switch, Glysaur, Tranquil. That was a nice reverse. I actually like this card. This one was real nice. It's my favorite legendary. One of them. Of my favorite legendaries. Okay. Hawlucha. Wingull. Inkay. Togepi. Execute. Wingull. And the rare? Zapdos. Cool. Alright. Last Roaring Skies. Can we get some last magic here? So far, we haven't really gotten anything. Really hoping to at least pull something. Alright. Natu. Fletching. Wurmple. Taillow. Electric. Altaria. And the rare. Another Altaria. Wow. Okay. Manectric. Trainer's Mail. Pelipper. Alright. Well, that kind of sucked. Really didn't get anything from Roaring Skies. Alright. Well, I'm really excited for... Oh, what the heck? For these. So, there's 2 different versions of this guy. This one is Rapid Strike. And the other one is Single Strike. So, the other one is red. And this is the red one is the Single Strike. So it's white, but then where the blue part is, his other counterpart is red. I got these from a local card shop. I sent in some cards to PSA. I'm really excited. Can't wait for that. It's gonna take a while. PSA is pretty backed up right now. It's gonna take about like 7 to 8 months. But while I was there, I saw these, and it caught my eye. Japanese cards, so I'm really excited. Now, all I know is that there's a secret rare, like in a full art, and a VMAX of him. It looks really dope. I seen it on the internet, and it looks really dope. And now, what the difference with this pack is, there's 5 cards in each pack. So let's hope we get something. Really hoping for the mascot here. These cards pack look real nice. And then for the Japanese, the back is different, as you can see, compared to America's. Now, I prefer the Japanese looks way better, like old style. That's how it was in the beginning compared to US. But I did pre-order Battle Styles for English, so I can't wait to open that up. Now, I do know the card trick is one from the back, so let's hope we get something. So Kingdra, Corphish, Cubone, I don't know, and a trainer. Cool. Alright. And there's no code card. No code card for these. Alright. So it's one from the back. Alright. Mustang. Alolan Grind. Bellsprout. Oh, I see something on the back. Cubone. Holographic. Tabul. I don't know his name. Looks nice, but not what we're looking for. Oh, these packs look real nice. Okay, so. Oh, shoot. I kind of already saw what we got. Well, okay. Fan. Bellsprout. And, ooh. Octillery holographic. That looks pretty cool. Rapid Strike. Alright. I have 2 packs left. Alright. Let's hope we get something. Alright, one from the back. Alright. Energy. Hey! Empoleon V! Look at that. That looks pretty dope. Cool, we got something. That's nice. I like that. I don't know what this is, but cool. Alright. Last pack. Can we get this guy? I just really want this guy. Let's hope we can get him. Please. Please. Last pack. Alright. Alright. Can we get Urshifu? Okay. And no. Well, that's it for today's video. Really, the best card was Empoleon V. I like it. It looks nice. But it's not what we're looking for. Well, I'll see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Bye!